Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. Gonna do a little unboxing video, and what it is I picked up a XTool D9S Pro is what this is. And when I was looking at scan tools, I looked at the Top Dawn, and then I looked at the ThinkTool Platinum S10 Pro, which I bought. Okay. And then, but I did look at the XTools, and you know, when I was comparing prices, the XTool was considerably cheaper than anything else. And I couldn't really explain that because a lot of times, you know, if it seems too good to be true, then it's not true. And but I did see some reviews of like the D8 and the D7, and they had good reviews. But I hadn't seen the D9S Pro until recently. Okay, this is their latest and greatest version, and you know, and it was advertised for about $1,400. My Platinum S10 Pro was $2,000, you know, $1,999 with a 10% discount, so I got it just shy of $1,800. The Top Dawn was about $2,300. But I said this one was $1,400, and actually, you know, with some discounts, it was on sale, and I had a 10% coupon. I got this for about $1,080, so just shy of $1,100. And but what, you know, like I said, it just the huge price difference was you know, kind of made me leery. It's like, why is it so much cheaper than these other ones? But I decided to go out on a limb and give this a try. I'd like to have a couple different scan tools because a lot of times one will work better than another, you know, on different vehicles. So, you know, instead of just being stuck with one, I do have the dongles, but, you know, I just wanted another tablet, and, you know, so I went for it. And so here it is. Want to open it up and, you know, get it all charged and updated and that kind of stuff. And then I'll do a review on it. And also I'll compare it to my Platinum S10 Pro and see if there's really any difference. But I just kind of wanted to get this box opened up. When I first picked it up, you know, find out if that's normal or not. But, so let's open this up and find out what's in here. Okay. There you go. Let's get it out of here if I can, without hurting myself. Yeah, watch me fight with a box. There you go. It's not an unboxing video, it's a fighting with a box video. All right. Okay. So, D9S Pro. See what all it says here. Anything interesting? All right, well, let's get it flipped around here and get it opened up and see what we can see. Okay. Let's see if this rattles. Okay, it's a nice sturdy box. Okay, got some paperwork here. Packing list to go over. Don't want it to get moisture. I guess what we're hearing is all this stuff up here. Yeah, rattling around. Okay, well, first we got the VCI here, and the Platinum S10 Pro, the VCI on it is a Bluetooth, and from what I understand, this is Wi-Fi. It's supposed to be a lot faster and better signal, and you can get a lot further range. Well, it remains to be seen. But there's the VCI. Okay. And here's the tablet itself. Okay. It's got a kickstand on it. That's nice. Yeah, I don't know. It almost looks like this slips down, but I guess not. Okay, it's got its own kickstand. USB port. Can you see that? Okay. You have to charge it all up and get it updated and go through all that, but I just wanted to kind of get it open here. The on-off button. It's a good size. It's close to what my XTool, not my XTool, my Platinum S10 Pro is. Hang on, I actually have it right over here. Oh yeah, it is about the same size. Just for a quick look, compare them. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, I guess you can. They're relatively the same size. You know, might be just a hair bigger. This screen seems to be a little wider than this, but this one is taller than this. I guess it works out. All right, what do we got up here? It's like a sort of a charging cables, I'm guessing. Yeah, all different kinds of adapters. I'm not going to pull them all out, but there's what was rattling. Okay, looks like you got just about every adapter you can think of. Ah, it's got the little, yeah, the charger, different, you know, different plugs for, you know, different countries. A cigarette lighter power. Not sure if you can, maybe you can hardwire this to something. Obviously I have to read the directions. I do believe the VCI gets a cable attached to it so you can plug it into the vehicle. And okay. Mercedes, BMW. All different kinds of connectors. I have to read up on what all that can connect to, but it looks like you can interface with just about anything. And of course, it'll never fit back in the same slot. Okay. Well, again, it looks like a pretty complete set. I mean, the Platinum S10 Pro was, you know, very complete. And I haven't used any of the other attachments for them yet. And we'll keep that kind of stuff back in there close enough. All right, but that's the XTool Platinum, no, yeah, XTool D9S Pro. Can you see that? Okay, well, like I said, I'm gonna get it charged up, get it registered, and you know, all updated and stuff, and then we'll do a review on it. And then, as I said, I want to do a head-to-head comparison with the here you go, the XTool Platinum S10 Pro. Okay, well, so I guess that's it for this video. You know the deal. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.